Thank you very much for joining us once again today for Computer Insider. The one thing you have to credit the computer industry for is their use of technology. We're only a few days into the calendar year's fourth quarter, and the information about computer sales has already been released from the third quarter, and it's not good news. Worldwide shipments of personal computers fell for the sixth straight quarter of decline as cheaper tablet computers and smartphones cut into demand. The market fell nearly 8% to 81.6 million units. Experts believe the PC market will bottom out sometime next year, with recovery starting in 2015, as companies and consumers finally replace aging PCs. Now, if you believe that, I think you're in for a major disappointment. Keep in mind the eighth rule of the computer industry: don't believe industry hype. The reality is the computer industry is in trouble because the top three applications on the planet have all successfully migrated to smartphones and tablets, and the average consumer just isn't using their desktops as much as they used to. Another key factor is the desperateness of the major industry players like Microsoft, who have been cranking out operating systems, well, faster than Canadian senators can find themselves in a scandal. I just don't see consumers rushing out to buy new desktops. They're too expensive. The operating systems require a steep learning curve, and most of us be far happier having a monster machine available to us anytime, anywhere, so we can get the information we want, not later when we get back to our desktop. Another fundamental shift that has happened is that we've moved away from traditional software to apps. And based on my personal experience, you can get a basic app as a freebie and only be forced to shell out cash when you want the super duper version. And even then the costs are usually around $1 or $2. A far cry from the hundreds of dollars consumers spend on desktop applications and office suites. You watch. The market for cheap, refurbished desktop computers loaded with Windows XP will continue to flourish. New high-performance machines will start to cater to power users and industry-specific applications like factory automation and accounting. Your smartphone and tablet will continue to merge, eventually becoming big enough to easily read and use, and small enough to put into your pocket or purse. Connectivity will continue to grow, so everyday tasks like phone calls and messaging will be through a secondary device like your car's Bluetooth system or a smartwatch, or even both. The future will be a lot more interesting than the past, not only because of product advances, but because over time the major players will become more desperate and spend more marketing money to try and convince us to look backwards and spend like it was 1995. Don't forget to join us on the internet at www.computerinsider.org. Reporting for Computer Insider, I'm Bob Pritchard.